I'm Hannah Phillips and I work at Sheringham Primary School. I've been working with Elmhurst as an SLE in early years for a couple of years, working with them to develop a programme to support mastery in maths for early years participants. Last year we ran a really successful course that had 3 sessions involving gap tasks and projects in between. We had about 35 participants and the feedback was really good in terms of the impact in their own settings, and demand from local schools to have input for early years maths has been really strong, so we decided to run the course again. It's going really well so far. We have about 30 participants and they've come to several sessions over the course of the year, and the focus is on thinking about developing confidence in practitioners in developing a mastery environment. There's been a real focus for primary schools on the mastery approach in maths with the bringing in of the new curriculum. So Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2 have been talking about this for a couple of years, and I think schools feel they need to make sure this is happening in early years as well. So that's where the interest comes in. The good news is early years has already been promoting a mastery approach to maths for a very long time. Good early years practice gives children the opportunity to apply their knowledge in different contexts, explore the learning at their own pace and with their peers. We create a language-rich environment that gives children all of the vocabulary that they might need to explore their learning and follow their own interests and lines of inquiry. And so it's more about getting practitioners to recognise the strengths in what they're already doing and building on that within their setting, as opposed to really dramatically changing our approach to maths teaching. The course is structured in a way that allows participants to really think about their own setting. There's a lot of input from me and group discussion and sharing of ideas, but then the gap tasks are designed so that the participant can take that input and think about it in the context of their own school, designing projects or tasks or development within their classroom or professional development within their team that fits within their setting, so that they can then come back to the group and share the successes, the challenges of what they did. So for example, one of the activities was the participants had to go to their setting and improve one area of provision, thinking about maths, which might have been improving the signs and labels within their setting. Lots of participants worked on tidy up time as an opportunity for developing a calculation. If there's a pen pot with the number 10 on it, have we got all 10 pens? How many are missing? We need to find them. So participants were able to trial things that were relevant to them, but bring that back and share those successes within the team. And that's meant that the sessions aren't so much a lecture from me, it's a recognition that actually within the group there's a huge wealth of experience and knowledge about what good practice in early years looks like, and participants can discuss and share ideas and learn from a much wider resource base.